Alright, so guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to join two different fabrics together to sew a shirt. You feel me? We are going to make it the design. Do you know what I'm gonna do? We have cutted I'm just showing you for example video, just like I always do, right? I'm showing you for example video, so just like we have cutted this fabric. When I measure this fabric, it is four different, and it's the same measurement. So when I measure this one, I'm not gonna measure the other one for you to see. So this one, the length is 4¼ inch, right? And the actual wideness, the wideness is, let's say, 12¼ inch, because we are making for example videos in the same. So this is a different color. This is cream, right? You feel me? This is cream color, and this one here, it's also the same measurement as this one, right? This is white fabric. We are going to make a design for the shirt. We are going to make the front shirt only. We are just showing you. So when we make this one, you will be able to do the back, because this is what we are using this one for the front, right? So we are showing you, bro. Please pay attention to it, so that you can get to know how to do it. You feel me? You feel me that way? All right, so guys, now we are picking first one. We are picking the white. We are picking one of them, and we will pick the other one. You feel me? Please don't mind the background noise, because where I stay, you always hear noise, and then I got nothing to do about it. So guys, now you can see that this is the white fabric, and I have put the cream on it like this. So I'm gonna stitch it on 1/4 inch straight to the end part. So just the way I'm stitching it, and you'll be able to be good, right? So guys, we are stitching it without wasting my time. You first sew it. When you sew it, so guys, when you sew it, then you will start stitching it. You will first stitch on the front, then you will start sewing it, right? So guys, straight to the end part. All right, so guys, now we have done the first one, right? Now we are going to cut the excess thread. So guys, now look at how it's looking right now. So guys, this is how it's gonna be looking right now, right? So now we are going to bring the white, this one. We are going to join it. Both the front and the back looks the same, so we are doing it that way. You feel me? So guys, now we are going to stitch it just like we did the first one, and we will come in again and stitch the other one just like we did it. Same. You feel me? So guys, let's get it done without wasting my time. Let's get it in. All right, so guys, we are stitching it on 1/4 inch, right? So please pay attention to it, and you'll be fine. All right, so guys, can you see we are on heat? So guys, now we have done this one too. So guys, now we are going to bring this one. You feel me? We are going to bring this one. We are going to stitch it the same way, right? And we will show you what we were talking about, or what design we were talking about, right? After finishing it, after sewing it, right? So guys, just pay attention. Just watch the way I'm doing it, so that you're able to see, or you check the measurement, or you measure it according to how you want your shirt measurement, or you want it to be. This is just for example video, so I'm just making a way for you to be able to see exactly how we do it. You feel me that way? All right, so guys, now I have done stitching it. So now, do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cut the excess thread, and after cutting the excess thread, I'm gonna open it like this, right? See how it's looking, right? So now guys, I'm going to iron it. This place, can you see this place? We have joined it, so I'm going to iron it and make it smooth. Lie down on the each other, and I will come and show you the next part. You feel me? All right, so guys, can you see after ironing, this is exactly how it's looking. When we turn the back like this, you feel me? This is exactly what I was talking about. Can you see how the shirt design is gonna be? This is like a shirt front design. So let me just cut, for example, round neck for you to see how it's gonna look if you are being able to do this way and use it to design your the shirt that you want to sew in the future or anytime you want to sew. So let me just make for example what they call it, a round neck. So guys, now I'm gonna measure 2.5, right? You feel me that way? All right, so guys, now I'm gonna measure 2.5, then I'll mark it here, right? We are just cutting a round neck, right? Then I'll measure another 2.5 for just back 14. You feel me that way? All right, so that's way, bro. So now I measured 2.5 right here. So now I'm gonna draw it. I'm gonna draw it. Can you see? So guys, this is a round neck, right? Then I will draw the shoulders like that. Can you see? The pen is not coming. Sorry for that. All right, so guys, then we cut it, right? We cut the shape the way, just like we have drawn it. You feel me that way? All right, so thank you for seeing me that way. All right, so guys, you feel me that way? All right, so now I'm cutting it straight to the end part, just like we have drawn the shoulders. You feel me that way? All right, so guys, then now this is what I was trying to show you. So if I open it like this is exactly how I was trying to show you. This is the design I was talking about. So guys, if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, follow, like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video, live video.